Welcome back to MotoVision, where we explore the coolest vehicles on the road. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Metris Weekender Camper. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this versatile camper van might just be the perfect companion. Let's get started. Under the hood, the 2025 Metris Weekender features a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 208 horsepower and 258 lb-ff torque. This reliable powertrain is paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a balanced mix of efficiency and performance. With a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, it's more than capable of hauling your adventure gear. Safety is key, especially in a camper van, and the Metris Weekender doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a high-performance braking system, featuring ventilated disc brakes on all four wheels. Additionally, advanced driver assistance systems like active brake assist ensure quick and controlled stops, even in emergencies. Mercedes-Benz has loaded the Weekender with cutting-edge technology to enhance your journey. The MBUX infotainment system offers a 7-inch touchscreen with voice control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Plus, the camper is equipped with multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and optional Wi-Fi connectivity. And for camping convenience, the pop-up roof features integrated LED lighting and a USB port, making it easy to enjoy modern amenities while staying off the grid. Inside, the Metris Weekender shines with its versatile and luxurious layout. The cabin comfortably seats up to 5 passengers, and the rear bench converts into a cozy bed for 2. The pop-up roof adds sleeping space for 2 more, complete with a memory foam mattress. There's also a rear slide-out kitchenette, optional solar panels for power, and multiple storage compartments for all your camping gear. It's a home away from home. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Weekender Camper blends functionality, luxury, and adventure into one incredible package. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time road tripper, this camper is designed to elevate your travel experience. So what does it cost to bring this adventure-ready camper into your life? The 2,205 Metris Weekender starts at approximately $75,000, with various customization options available to suit your needs. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Metris Weekender Camper. What do you think about this versatile camper van? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more MotoVision content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.